Hey everyone, we're back in this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a GUI on which a specific currency is showed. So first of all, we're going to go to the View tab, get the Explorer, Properties, and the Output. So let's go to Server-Script Service and create a leader stat script. So we're going to create a function, game.players.player added. We're going to connect it with the event called player added, and now connect the function. In the parameters, I'm going to add player, and now I'm going to create a new folder, local leader stats equals instance dot new. Now I'm going to say folder. So now look leader stats dot name equals leader stats dot parent equals player. Now I'm going to create a currency. It's going to be called coins. Local coins equals instance dot new integer value. Coins dot name equals coins dot parent equals leader stats, and coins dot value equals 0. So here we created a leader stat script, which we created a function which is connected whenever a player is added in the game. Then it will create a folder here. The name of the folder will be leader stats, and then it's going to create an integer value which will be the currency. It will be named coins, and its value will be 0. It will be the child of the leader stat folder. So let's test it out. So if I play the game, you can see that we have leader stats here now. We have the player name, and you can see here that the coin currency. So now let's create the GUI. We're going to go to start a GUI here, click on the plus sign, and add a screen GUI. In the screen GUI, let's add a text label. So let's make a GUI show up here, and let's make the background. Let's change transparency a bit. Let's change background color to black. Let's change the text color to white. Scale it, and let's say coins 0. So here we have coins shown here, but how do we change it? Like, what if the player's coins are changed and it will still remain 0, but we want it to change too? So we're gonna add a local script in the text label. So now we're first gonna make a variable, local text label equals script dot parent. Now we're gonna get the currency, local coins equals game dot players dot local player dot leader stats, because when the player joins we create a folder here, and in the leader stats we're going to say dot coins. So we have text label and the coin stored in the variable. So now we're going to say coins get property changed signal, and in the brackets we're going to add the property value, connect function. So here we have here. So what we did here is we first defined the text label, the coins, and then we say coins get property change signal. So whenever so what we did here is we created variables, and then we are using an event called get property change signal. So whenever a property of the coins is changed, it will fire the event, and in the brackets we added value. So value is a property of the coins because it is an integer value. So whenever the value of the coins is changed, it's gonna connect the function. So what we're gonna do here is text label dot text equals coins space, and now I'm gonna add full stops and toString. In the brackets I'm gonna say coins dot value. So the script is done. Also we're gonna copy this and paste it here too. So whenever the player joins, it's gonna update the coins, and whenever it's changed, it's gonna update it again. So let's say print coins updated. So now we created a script which will update the coins on this UI, but we need the UI to be changed in order for the coins to change, like the GUI change as well. So I'm just gonna add a simple script which will give me coins whenever I press E. Local UIS equals game get service user input service. Now I'm gonna say UIS dot input begin connect function. In the parameters I'm gonna say input if input dot key code equals enum dot key code dot, and now I'm gonna say E, then game dot players dot local player leader stats dot coins dot value equals. I'm gonna copy this over here, paste it here, plus 100. So now let's just add one. Oh wait, not equals, we're gonna say plus. So I'm gonna go back here and play the game. So you can see we have the UI over here showing our coins. So if I press E, you can see that it gave me one coin and it changed over here as well as here. So if I keep on spamming E, you can see my coins increasing in the leader stats as well as in the UI. So I pressed E, and you can see the coins being updated. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. If you guys got any error or got stuck on something, you guys can surely comment down below. And if you guys have want me to make a video on something, you guys can suggest me in the comment section down below. You guys can also join my Discord server. I'm always online there, and there are a few other developers, a lot of other developers you can meet, make friends with, and learn scripting from. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.